Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to install Node in your computer using NVM. So I assume that you already have installed the NVM in your computer. So if you did not install the NVM yet, then you have to install it first, and I already have recorded a video for you. I will share its link below so that you can learn how to install NVM on your computer. After installing NVM in your computer, just make sure it is installed by using this command. So then you will see the list of the node versions by using this command nvm ls renode. Okay, as you can see that it is showing us a lot of versions of node. We have to use one version that we want to install. Okay, so let's look at it. So these are the LTS versions. I want the latest stable version, that is v12. So I will just copy it and clear it. Okay, nvm install this. Now wait for it. It is downloading the node from the internet and it will install it. So NVM is very convenient. You can easily install any version of node.js and you can switch to any version without any headache. So I really recommend it. I use it in my daily work. Okay, it has installed. So let's make this sure by checking the node.js version. npm node. Okay, you can see that version is exactly same that we want. So it worked. Alright guys, please don't forget to subscribe my video, subscribe my channel, like my video and share it and comment it, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you don't miss any notification from my channel. Thank you for watching my video. See you later guys. Bye.